Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we'll try to explain the division process as such. So in the first slide, we'll be actually seeing the single digit number divided by a single digit number. Something like this. So 9 will be divided by 4. So it's better for all children to know the 4 tables over here. So this is the 4 tables. I hope all the kids know these tables as such. Now in 4 tables, where does 9 come as such? In 4 tables, where does 9 come? So 9 will usually come over here. So 9 will come between 8 and 12. So 12 is greater than 9 and 8 is lesser than 9. So we can't take a greater number, we have to take a lesser number as such. So 4 2s are, because 4 into 2 was 8, therefore 4 2s are 8. We have to subtract both this number. 9 minus 8 is 1. Therefore 2 will become our quotient, 1 will become our remainder. Therefore 9 divided by 4 is nothing but 2. Okay, and remainder will be 1. I hope this is clear for one and all. We'll move further. Double digit, that's a 2-digit number divided by a single digit number as such. So here 16 divided by 6. So let's see the 6 tables. In 6 tables, where do we get 16? Or the nearest number as such. So 16, if you see here properly, falls between 12 and 18. So 16 will come here. And as seen in the previous one also, 18 is greater and 12 is lesser number. So we'll go for the lesser number as such. 6 2s are 12. Therefore 6 2s are 12. 16 minus 12 is 4. Therefore 2 becomes the quotient and 4 becomes the remainder. 16 divided by 6, the answer is 2. The remainder will be 4. We look at the last one. Triple digit number, that's a 3-digit number divided by a single digit number. In this case, it says 232 divided by 4. Again, we'll look into the 4 tables. Whenever we are having numbers like these, right? Here we are having 2, 3 and 2. First we will take the first number. 2 is lesser than 4. 2 is lesser than 4. Hence I cannot divide. So I will take the first 2 digits together. 23. Now let's see in 4 tables where do we get 23 as such. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. Therefore 23 will lie between these two numbers as such. So 24 is greater and 20 is lesser. Therefore 4 5s are 20. We'll have to go with this. So I am going to write it over here, or we can put 0 and then 5. Right? So 4 5s are 20. 23 minus 20 will be nothing but 3. I will bring down this number down. So now 32. In 4 tables, where does 32 come? We are having 32 here. So 4 8s are 32. So it's a direct number. 4 8s are 32. Remainder becomes 0. Therefore, the quotient is 58 and the remainder is 0. Therefore, 232 divided by 4 is nothing but 58, where the remainder will be 0. Therefore, 58 becomes the quotient. Hope this video has helped each one of you all understand the process of division well. Have a great day.